Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be changing out the leaf springs. Jody already got the shocks out, which, you know, if you've seen the other videos, they welded them in. You should never do that. You should use the flag nuts instead, you know, something that, you know, you can remove. Anyways, he said cutting them out wasn't too bad, but to put the holes through where it's welded in order to put it, it's not been the easiest thing. So there's that, but hopefully the leaf springs go easier. Yeah, let's get to it. I've got the big guns out, and you know how I feel about this. There should be a lighter one for girls because this is above my head. I'm scared. Oh my God. Is it coming off? Okay, it's finally going. Does that mean it's done? No, can't be. Oh, yep, it is. Right? Yeah, that's. All right, good conversation with myself. Time to take off the U-bolt. You see, my husband put the Jeep up to his height level, not mine. Okay, so took two people, got it off, got the spacer off as well. And then we had to pretty much just like jam it out. But now let's put on the new one. Okay, so let me actually update you. So right here, there was a thing sticking out that was helped with the spacer that was in there. So we had to drill that out. Now and also all the way out because this has a piece right here to hold it in place. Now we're gonna tap these bushings in. Maybe, I'm afraid of hammers. Okay, no. Well, I looked that up. So you're supposed to have like a press or a C-clamp to put it in there, but every thing that I read was if you put them in the freezer, it's way easier because we tried a C-clamp and it just kind of like slipped out. So we're gonna go put them in the freezer. Well, that was a very unproductive day. They have to stay in the freezer for like overnight. So I hope you enjoyed me taking off the leaf springs. That was a really good time, huh? I'll see you guys next week, and hopefully there'll be some leaf springs in then. Make sure you like and subscribe.